This webinar will be covering Aspect's work order search. Let us begin. If while we are creating a new work request, we cannot find the work order we intend turning into a job, we would follow these steps to establish where the work order is. We will always check the ERP interface first, under Setup menu. This will show any issues with imports from the ERP. Please see Aspect's ERP interface webinar. There are many ways to search for a work order. Most search windows have the work order field. The most obvious starting point would be under Production Request, then Work Order. We will click on the Find option at the top. The Find window appears. We will see there are a few search criteria available to us. We will use the ID for this video. When we find the work order, it will state the status next to the work order ID, either complete, like this work order 23280, or blank like 23265 and 23273. If we click on the Job tab, this will give us the status of the job. When the work order is blank, this usually means it is either scheduled, like 23265, or unscheduled, like 23273. Another option is to search in the Schedule window. If the work order is scheduled, Aspect will take us to the work order on the schedule, such as with 23283. If the work order was turned into a job via the work request function but not scheduled, it will show in unscheduled jobs, like 23273. To sum it up, work requests in Aspect will always be found in either the ERP interface, if failed to import from the ERP, the work request or schedule, if already run and completed in Aspect, the work request job tab, or schedule, if not put on the schedule, i.e., unscheduled, or on the actual schedule if scheduled already. This brings us to the end of this webinar. We hope the information and examples provided here have been beneficial to you.